One of the best ways to achieve financial freedom is to have multiple streams of incomes. Now, if you want to know the most profitable side hustle you can start right now without any money, keep watching this video. The side hustles I will be mentioning in this video can be done by anyone, irrespective of your education level, age, social status, etc. It does not matter if you are a person looking for side hustle, an employer, or a student. This method can be achieved by anyone, including stay-at-home mom. In less than a month, you can learn the skills in this video whether you know it or not. Meanwhile, some of the skills does not require much strength. You can easily learn it. The first business to easily start online without any money or capital is CV and resume writing. A lot of people are weak in writing CV, and lots of people miss out opportunities simply because they don't know how to write CV or cover letter that meant the job specification. Now, this is how you will scope in and save lots of people by creating a well-structured CV and resume while you make your own money. You have no idea how many people needed help getting CV done for them. If you are good in words and understand the structure needed, you are in luck. The truth is, writing CV and resume is not as difficult as people assume. You only need two things. 1. Writing the resume in a way that shows that you are the solution. 2. Understanding the job requirements and employer specification. Writing CV and resume requires some research and how job seekers draw their line. So, how much can you make from this side also? Remember, job seekers are not the richest person on earth. So, I won't lie to you that you will make thousands of dollars, but that doesn't mean it is not a lucrative side also. Depending on how you present yourself and your target audience, this gives a huge difference in the business. In this particular side also, having experience in the HR management and recruiting give you a competitive edge. According to statistics, most CV and resume writers charge around $40 to $400 depending on how a client needs their resume to be. Some charge as much as $700. It really depends on the work and the client you are working for. To get more reach, you can promote your service on social media as well, put it up on Upwork, People Per Work, or sell your service on Fiverr. Meanwhile, I will advise you to aggressively promote your service on social media because getting a gig on Upwork can take lots of time and effort. If you can invest in ads, then go ahead, especially when you want to create a momentum to put your service and name out there. Remember, you don't need to put any money to start this ad also mentioned. The second business that requires no capital and is easy to start is becoming a skill trainer. That is, you can teach other people skills. The skill you will teach depends on the skill you already possess. Are you a good chef? Do you know how many people want to learn how to cook a special meal? Are you a dancer who can teach people how to dance? Do you know that lots of people want to stay fit? So, personal trainer can make tons of dollars in this side also. Can you teach self-defense or karate? You won't be surprised how many people want to learn from you. Can you teach graphics designing, video editing, or video shooting? This side also is the main thing for you. The list of skills you can teach people is endless. Some of these skills are taught in person or some of them are taught online. Either ways, this is one side also you can deliver and start doing. Remember, no skill is useless. How you package and present yourself really matter. A lot of people are already doing this and the amount of money they are making depend on their target audience, the market, and location. Some fitness trainers charge around $20 per session and this amount depends on the trainer. To venture into this side also, you need to promote yourself, create professional promotions on Canva, keep posting your work on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Remember, TikTok is becoming one of the biggest engaging platforms for any side also. You can also put your skills on LinkedIn and YouTube where you can record the video of yourself. This idea gives people of what to expect whenever you post this side also on your social media and you're going to get a lot of audience from it. Also, you can list your side also on Google with a free business profile. For Google, all you have to do is provide your details, photos, videos, contacts as much as you can so that customers can find you and also see what you offer easily. Do not forget to create a LinkedIn service page to showcase your business to wider audience. The third and fast also is to become a virtual assistant. Virtual assistant is one of the best also with less capital to start. The number of solopreneurs and entrepreneurs in this business is increasing annually. So there is high demand of service here. Now, if you don't know what a virtual assistant is, virtual assistants are person that provides assistance and usually operates by self-employed individual, providing unique service like bookkeeping, email management, data entry, and so much more. A virtual assistant can work with brands and companies who are in high demand. Also, they get the chance to work remotely. That is, they do all the work anywhere, including at the comfort of their home. There is so much for you to offer as virtual assistant, and it depends on your capability and the client's needs. Virtual assistants can schedule meetings, do email follow-up, organize files, do other office jobs at the comfort of their space. The idea behind a virtual assistant is to do the day-to-day activities of office and management of any business. The amount of money a virtual assistant can make depends on the location, the client, the service you are offering to the client. According to data, virtual assistants can earn per month or per hour. Approximately, a virtual assistant earns $20 per hour, while some earn above $50. These payments depend on the client and the client's location. This is considered to be a lucrative side also because you can be able to make 6 figures monthly. All you need is having a good strategy, and you can find jobs on LinkedIn, Indeed, People Per Hour, and any legalized virtual assistant platform. The most successful virtual assistants also reach out to brands and individuals who can assist and accept their offer. Virtual assistance is obviously not for everybody. Here is another side also, which is teaching people English online. The fourth online business that requires no capital for a startup is teaching students or organizations English online. Do you know that over 65% of people in the world cannot speak English? Although English is the most popular language in the world. Now, imagine how many individuals, including students, will want to learn English. Know that to date, over 500 million people are learning to speak English. So, you see this opportunity where you can teach people how to speak English fluently and earn money from it. This does not require any capital, as you can earn around $10 to $50 per hour. According to data, it shows that people make around $550,000 per week. If this is your way and you understand English fluently, remember, this does not require any certificate or degree or any other forms to start teaching people. To be part of people ready to teach other individuals English, kindly go to Cambly, Tutorial, and there is also Vablin. Cambly pays around $10.20 per hour, while Tutorial pays around $6,000 to $8,000 per month. You can take your time to check out this website. Note that some of these platforms create room to teach other languages. Do your own research and see the one that suits you. Thank you for watching today's video. Leave a comment below if you have any questions.